A young albatross is perfectly safe on the outermost islands of Hawaii. The trouble is that when it comes time to leave, there's a smart shark just waiting for it to make a mistake at takeoff. Charging in to number 3 in the countdown is the tiger shark. Catching young albatrosses isn't as easy as it looks. But this huge predator can learn and remember hunting techniques. That's because, by fish standards, its huge brain is well developed and comparable with those of many birds and mammals. This monster has both brains and brawn, growing to more than 18 feet long. There's nothing that a tiger shark won't try to swallow. And it's armed with jaws that can even take on the seemingly indestructible shell of a sea turtle. When the shark clamps down on a turtle shell and shakes its head from side to side, it's using its unique teeth like a buzzsaw. Each tooth is highly serrated like a steak knife, and is sharp enough to cut chunks out of almost anything, even metal. Thanks to their tin opener teeth, tiger sharks have the most varied diet of any shark in the world. They're sometimes called the garbage cans of the sea because they've eaten things like car license plates, cans, fishing floats, coconuts, lumps of coal, and even unopened cans of salmon.